nowhere. I don't know why I take betrayals, yaar. I was like, what? Why are you doing like this to me? Again and again, I put my all efforts on every friendship, on every person, and they treat me like that you are nothing to us.
And this stage is saying, come and use me and say something. ये दरवाजा भी बेचारा चीख चीख कर कह रहा है, तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है. ये बेचारा बल्ब, अभी लाइट थी, ये भी जल रहा था, ये भी जल रहा था, लेकिन लाइट चली गई, लेकिन ये नहीं बुझा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये चीख चीख कर कह रहा है, तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है. ये लड़कियां जो आपको देख रही हैं, ये चीख चीख कर कह रही हैं कि तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है.
कतरा कतरा उम्मीद रखो,
है
कि कतरा कतरा उम्मीद रखो और समझो, कि कतरा कतरा उम्मीद रखो और समझो. हर ठोकर हर सफर, कि हर ठोकर हर सफर तुझे तेरे सच के और करीब ले जाएगा. कि हर ठोकर हर सफर तुझे तेरे सच के और करीब ले जाएगा. और चीख चीख के कहेगा, और एक्सक्यूज मी, और चीख चीख के कहेगा, ये भी कहेंगे, ये भी कहेंगे, ये भी कहेंगे, और ये भी कहेंगे कि तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, और तू चल, तेरे समय के वजूद को भी तलाश है, तेरे समय के वजूद को भी तलाश है. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, so today I am going to talk.
They're ignoring me. Why they are ignoring me? And they are behaving me like that nothing happens. They are not even asking me, and I'm messaging. I'm messaging like every second that why you treated me like that? Why you treated me like that? If you are not able to continue in that way, why you treated me like that? Now I am expecting to you. I have so many expectations from you because you give me that comfort zone. You give me that comfort. Why are you doing this? But I ignored. They ignored me.
I want to talk about the confidence. By your confidence, what you can do. By your confidence, you can become a leader. By your confidence, you can become a teacher.
Yes.
By your confidence, you can solve your problem. By your confidence, you can motivate the society as well as family. Ladies and gentlemen, by your confidence, you can do everything. But, I'll excuse me. But by the confidence, build your confidence so that.
Never stop believing in yourself. When you believe in yourself, nobody can push you back. Nobody can take advantage of you. Nobody can treat you like you are no one. You are a personality in yourself. You are carrying your own aura, your own personality, your own behavior, on your upbringing. You carry yourself so much in grace, right? So yeah, don't think that you are less than others.
Because if you take a decision, excuse me,
wow.
if you take a decision to do something in the field, in society, in everywhere, without confidence, excuse me, without confidence you cannot do. Without confidence you cannot do. So you need to, excuse me, be confident.
If you want to achieve anything in your life, तो मिटा दो अपनी हस्ती को अगर कुछ मर्तबा चाहो. मिटा दो अपनी हस्ती को अगर कुछ मर्तबा चाहो, कि दाना खाक में मिलकर गुले गुलजार होता है. कि दाना खाक में मिलकर गुले गुलजार होता है.
I gave my all energy in every relationship, in every friendship, in every relation of my life. But every time, every person, they betrayed me like I'm no one. They treat me like I am useless person. I am useless thing in this whole life. I have a self-doubt doubt on myself.
No one will take a step for you. If you will come first on the stage, then second day you will come also on the stage, then your confidence will develop. And if you are fearing that I will do this tomorrow, and you are doing procrastination.
The simple lesson is, अगर डिसीजन तुम खुद नहीं लोगे, अगर डिसीजन खुद नहीं लोगे तो तुम्हारे डिसीजन ले लिए जाएंगे. फील कीजिएगा इस चीज को. अगर डिसीजन खुद नहीं लोगे तो तुम्हारे डिसीजन ले लिए जाएंगे.
Confidence. Confidence. Confidence, confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you the confidence because I know the importance of confidence. And you are sitting for that. Everybody came in the morning just to boost the confidence, guys. Just to boost the confidence. Everywhere, if you see a political leader, if you see an engineer, if you see a teacher, everybody needs confidence. Now you may be thinking that, excuse me, how can I build confidence? How can I build confidence? You can. Just like everybody did. You are not born on the Mars. Hey sir, you are not born on the Mars. I was not born on the Mars. I built my confidence. You all can build the confidence once you try.